Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NexaCash token. Ticker symbol is NCA. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on November 21st. We're going to go over the information on the NexaCash token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the NexaCash token. You can find their webpage at nexa-cash.com. Tons of info over there. You could change the language. They have some different socials. They have a Telegram at NexaCash on Telegram with over 12,000 Telegram subscribers. So NexaCash issues the most innovative stablecoin in crypto and builds cross-chain infrastructure for it. And the NCA token is their main utility token. So this token is being listed November 21st, 13 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NCA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So NexaCash is a disruptive algorithmic stablecoin protocol that aims to build a decentralized, permissionless, and highly scalable digital currency ecosystem to replace traditional fixed supply digital assets such as Bitcoin. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It says only 3 holders on their BSC scan, so leads me to believe that November 21st is their initial listing date. 100 million max total supply of the NCA coin, 18 decimal places on this token. So they have a Twitter you could follow at NexaCash. I'm going to put that right on the screen here. You guys can easily find this project. They have a link to their webpage on this Twitter here, 10,700 followers. Their most recent tweet is talking about this new Mexc Global listing. And then they have tons of other updates on here. 29 posts so far on their Twitter. Now, they have different utilities here, different use cases in this project. The first one is the NCA swap, the first automated market maker with an embedded time-weighted average market maker, which is TWAMM, for large trustless transactions over long periods of time. It is completely permissionless, based on constant product invariance. They also have NCA Lend, a trustless, permissionless, non-custodial lending platform that provides a lending market between any 2 BEP20 tokens. Each pair is an isolated market allowing anyone to participate in lending activities. They also have the NCA Ferry, a permissionless, non-custodial, and secure method to transfer natively issued NCX protocol tokens across multiple blockchains without the need for bridges and third-party applications. So who are we? The world's most innovative decentralized stablecoins and DeFi stablecoin infrastructure. The NexaCash ecosystem is a self-sufficient economy utilizing stablecoins as a currency. You can find a full white paper at nexacash.gitbook.io/white-paper. So NexaCash is the first partially algorithmic stablecoin protocol. It's open source, permissionless, entirely on-chain, currently deployed on Ethereum and 12 other blockchains. The ultimate goal of NexaCash's protocol is to provide high scalable, decentralized algorithmic currency to replace fixed supply digital assets like Bitcoin. There are two stablecoins in the NexaCash ecosystem, UNCA, which is pegged to the US dollar, and NCA, which is pegged to US Consumer Price Index. The NexaCash finance ecosystem primarily consists of two stablecoins in addition to the automated market maker, the NexaCash Swap, and lending tool, NexaCash Lend. So we went over what those are already. The core concepts for understanding the overall NexaCash finance ecosystem are as followed. So NexaCash is the first and only stablecoin project whose supply is partially collateralized and partially algorithmically backed. The name of the stablecoin, NCA, is based on the dynamic fractional reserve system. Then we have NexaCash Swap, the native AMM, a time-weighted average market maker. We went over that already. And then we have the lending. And then we have the NCA stablecoin, and that one is pegged to a basket of consumer goods, creating its own unit of account independent of any national denominated currency. So NCA, the token being listed here, it's the equidity token. And our protocol's unstable liquidity value tokens. It is inherently unstable and enjoys governance rights and all access collateral to the system. So it's for a decentralized autonomous organization. It's pegged to a basket of goods. So it's not like a traditional stablecoin pegged to a currency like the US dollar. So they have tons of information on their white paper that you could check out. Like they go over their whole lending protocol, collateral investor, NCA 1559, AMO overview. They have they call it the disruption of tokens, the NCA token. Basically, 65% of the NCA token goes to the community, 35% goes to team and investors, and 12% goes to accredited private investors. So check out all the information at nexacash.gitbook.io. And you can find this token newly listed as of November 21st on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.